It's Addicted to Blades. I wanted to do a quick unboxing here. I bought a couple of cheap utility knives from Walmart. Hart 4-in-1 utility knife 2-pack. It's got a ruler, a bottle opener, 1/4-inch driver, bit holder, one-handed operation, retractable, got a belt clip. It's got the metric scale and standard scale. Uses regular utility sized blades. I'm going to use my Gerber pry brid to open it up. Comes this little instruction pamphlet here. Thought these might be handy to carry like in your fifth pocket or down in your pockets. Got deep carry blade, our pocket clip. Pretty thin, pretty lightweight. There's a lock button for taking the blade in and out. Got 2-position or 3-position, closed, halfway, and fully open. I like it for a nice little secondary blade to save your good blade, not getting tape on it and stuff like that. You can use this to open your boxes or whatever. Pretty nice. I don't know, I think I paid like $8 for them or something like that. I like them. Thanks for watching.